Hi guys, bugun biz siz bilan Ratatouille multfilmiga nazar solamiz va bugun Ratatouille multfilmini bir parchasini 3 marotaba ko'ramiz. Birinchisida subtitrlar bilan, ya'ni nima sodir bo'layotgani haqida umumiy tushunchaga ega bo'lishingiz uchun va qisman nima haqida gap ketayotganini bilishingiz uchun. Ikkinchisida esa subtitrlar bilan va qo'shimcha sharhlar bilan ko'ramiz. Uchinchisida esa hech qanday subtitrlarsiz tomosha qilamiz. Ya'ni bu ingliz tilidagi gapni eshitish orqali tushunish qobiliyatingizni rivojlantiradi va o'rgangan yangi so'zlarimizni qaytarishga imkon yaratadi. Aytgancha, siz bilan bir qiziqarli fakt bilan bo'lishmoqchiman. Mana shu Ratatouille multfilmi ustida ish olib borilayotganda Pixar studiyasida bir nechta kalamushlar yashagan. Ya'ni Pixar animatorlari mana shu Ratatouille'dagi bosh rolni o'ynagan kalamush, ya'ni Remini qoyilmaqom tarzda chizishligi uchun ular kalamushlarning mayda detallarini kuzatishgan. Ya'ni burun qimirlatishi, quloq qimirlatishi, oyoq, qo'l va hokazo. Mana shu uchun multfilmdagi Remi va uning qarindosh urug'lari qoyilmaqom aks ettirilgan. Va mana shu jarayon juda ham ko'p vaqt olgani sababli odamlarga unchalik ham e'tibor berishmagan. Ya'ni odamlarga unaqa ko'p vaqt, e'tibor ajratilmagan. Ana endi bugungi videomizni boshlasak bo'ladi. So let's get started.
No! Spit that out right now! Oh, I have got to teach you about food. Close your eyes. Now, take a bite of this. No! Don't just hork it down!
Too late.
Here. Chew it slowly. Only think about the taste. Creamy, salty, sweet, and oaky nuttiness. You detect that?
Oh, I'm detecting nuttiness.
Close your eyes. Now taste this. Whole different thing, right? Sweet, crisp, slight tang on the finish.
Okay.
Now, try them together.
Okay. I think I'm getting a little something there. It might be the nuttiness.
See?
Could be the tang.
That's it. Now, imagine every great taste in the world being combined into infinite combinations. Tastes that no one has tried yet. Discoveries to be made.
I think.
Uh-huh.
You lost me again.
No!
I brought you something too. Men senga nimadir olib keldim. Brought bu bring fe'lini o'tgan zamondagi shakli va u olib kelmoq degan ma'noni anglatadi. Aytgancha, o'tgan zamon haqida oldingi videoda to'liqroq ma'lumot berganman.
Spit that out right now! Oh, I have got to teach you about food.
Spit that out right now. Spit bu tuflamoq, tupurmoq degan ma'noni anglatadi va uni hoziroq tuflab tasha deyapti Remi o'zining qarindoshiga va I have got to teach you about food. Men senga ovqatni o'rgatishim kerak. Agar so'zma-so'z tarjima qiladigan bo'lsak, ammo ovqatni o'rgatib bo'lmaydi. Ovqatni gapirib berish mumkin. Ya'ni men senga ovqat haqida gapirib berishim kerak. Ya'ni gapirib berish orqali u teach qiladi. Teach esa o'rgatmoq. Endi keling have got ga nazar tashlaymiz. Have got to. Bu have to ni ma'nosini beradi. Ya'ni kerak, shart deb tarjima qilinadi. I have to teach you about food va I have got to teach you about food bir xil ma'no. Ya'ni men senga ovqat haqida aytib berishim kerak.
Close your eyes. Now, take a bite of...
Close your eyes. Ko'zlaringni yum. Now take a bite of. Endi tishla. Now hozir deb tarjima qilinadi, lekin hozirgi kontekstda biz endi deb tarjima qilamiz. Agar do'stingiz nimadir yeyayotgan bo'lsa va siz ana shu yeyayotgan narsasidan tatib ko'rmoqchi bo'lsangiz, siz can I have a bite of that deb so'ray olasiz. Ya'ni siz nimadirni tatib ko'rishni so'rayotganingizda take have ga o'zgaradi. Ya'ni take a bite of tishla deyapti. Can I have a bite of that? Mayli, bitta tishlasam, ya'ni kichkina miqdorda tishlash hisoblanadi.
No! Don't just hork it down!
Don't just hork it down. Uni shunchaki tez yeb yuborma deb tarjima qilinadi. Hork something down means to eat something quickly. Ya'ni hork it down bu nimadirni tez yeb yuborish deb tarjima qilinadi.
Too late.
Here.
Too late, juda kech. Here, ma, all.
chew it slowly.
Chew it slowly. Sekinlik bilan chayna, ya'ni chew chaynamoq degan ma'noni beradi.
Only think about the taste.
Only think about the taste. Faqatgina mazasi haqida o'yla. Hop, taste ham ot shaklida keladi, ham fe'l shaklida keladi. Ot shaklida bo'lib kelsa, bu ta'm, maza degan ma'noni beradi. Fe'l bo'lib keladigan bo'lsa, tatib ko'rish ma'nosini beradi. Ya'ni taste in noun form means the flavor of the something, the flavor of the food, and when it comes in form of verb, it means to try something. I mean try a food.
Creamy, salty, sweet, and oaky nuttiness.
Creamy, salty, sweet, and oaky nuttiness. Creamy bu qaymoqli, kremli degani, salty, sweet, tuzli, shirin va oaky nuttiness bu yemani yong'oqli. Xo'p, ingliz tilida it's commonly used, ya'ni keng qo'llaniladi otlarni sifatga aylantirish uchun otlarni oxiriga y harfi qo'shiladi, ya'ni cream. Krem bilan bog'liq, ya'ni qaymoq bilan bog'liq nimadir bo'ladigan bo'lsa va biz uni sifatga o'girmoqchi bo'lsak, creamy bo'ladi. Ya'ni qaymoqli. Qaymoq qaymoqli. Agar tuz bilan nimadir bog'liq bo'ladigan bo'lsa, biz misol uchun ko'rganingizdek y harfini qo'shdik, ya'ni salt, tuz, salty, tuzli. Va bu juda ham ko'p ishlatilinadi ingliz tilida aynan otlarni sifatga o'girish uchun. Mana hozir ko'rgan videomizda ham xuddi shu metodika qo'llangan.
You detect that?
You detect that? Sen uni sezdingmi? Ya'ni uni deb ana shu mazalarni aytyapti. Ya'ni salty, sweet, creamy, oaky nuttiness. Ana shuni sezdingmi deb so'rayapti Remi.
Oh, I'm detecting nuttiness.
Oh, I'm detecting nuttiness. Ha, men yong'oqli maza sezyapman deb tarjima qilinadi.
Close your eyes. Now taste this. Whole different thing, right?
Close your eyes. Ko'zlaringni yum. Now taste this. Endi mana buni tatib ko'r. Whole different thing, right? Butunlay boshqa narsa, to'g'rimi?
Sweet, crisp, slight tang on the finish.
Sweet, shirin, crisp, qarsildoq, slight tang on the finish, slight nomiga biroz, ya'ni oxirida biroz achchiq ta'm.
Okay.
Now, try them together.
Now try them together. Endi ularni birgalikda tatib ko'r. Ya'ni try, taste. Tatib ko'rish bilan ma'nosi bir xil. Ya'ni ular sinonimlar, they are synonyms. Ya'ni try ham, taste ham tatib ko'rmoq degan ma'noda keladi.
Okay. I think I'm getting a little something there.
I think I'm getting a little something there. O'ylashimcha men bunda nimadirni tushunaman.
It might be the nuttiness.
It might be the nuttiness. U yong'oqlar bo'lishi mumkin, ya'ni Yaman yong'oqlari. See, ko'rdingmi?
Could be the tang.
Could be the tang. Achchiqdan bo'lishi mumkin.
That's it. Now, imagine every great taste in the world being combined into infinite combinations.
Now, imagine every great taste in the world being combined into infinite combinations. Endi tasavvur qil, dunyodagi har qanday ajoyib ta'm cheksiz kombinatsiyalarga birlashtirilgan.
Tastes that no one has tried yet. Discoveries to be made.
Tastes that no one has tried yet. Discoveries to be made. Ya'ni hali hech kim tatib ko'rmagan ta'mlar. Yangi kashfiyotlar oldinda, ya'ni ochilishlar, kashfiyotlar, ya'ni discoveries to be made oldinda, ya'ni qilinadi degan ma'noda. I think o'ylashimcha
You lost me again.
You lost me again. Sen meni yana yo'qotding. You lost me againni biz ko'proq nima deyotganingni, nima demoqchiligingni tushunmadim degan ma'noda qo'llaymiz.
Ah! No! Spit that out right now! Oh, I have got to teach you about food. Close your eyes. Now, take a bite of this. No! Don't just hork it down!
Too late.
Here. Chew it slowly. Only think about the taste. Creamy, salty, sweet, and oaky nuttiness. You detect that?
Oh, I'm detecting nuttiness.
Close your eyes. Now taste this. Whole different thing, right? Sweet, crisp, slight tang on the finish.
Okay.
Now, try them together.
Okay. I think I'm getting a little something there. It might be the nuttiness.
See?
Could be the tang.
That's it. Now, imagine every great taste in the world being combined into infinite combinations, tastes that no one has tried yet, discoveries to be made.
I think
Uh-huh.
you lost me again.
Agar sizga ushbu video foydali bo'lgan bo'lsa, like bosishni va obuna bo'lishni unutmang. Aytgancha, keyingi videoda qaysi film yoki multfilmdan parcha ko'rishni istaysiz? Kommentariyalarda yozib qoldiring. Bye.